Refilling it 3 to 4 times a day. Hey, Linda.
Good morning.
Okay, so here's the plan. We're going to set up a few cameras over here, and we're going to see if we can figure out what's happening to your dog food.
Okay, thank you. That sounds great.
You're welcome.
We have a lot of customers, but I really don't see that many dogs,
Yeah.
so this would be really interesting.
Good.
Oh, what's that?
Homeless guy who just hangs out
Yeah.
here.
Yeah. There are a number of homeless, definitely.
Yeah.
I see them. Nope, there he is again.
Looks like he's about to do something.
They're covering up.
Oh my god, he's eating the dog food.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Okay, let's go. Come on.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Sir. Let me just talk.
Sorry.
Have you been taking this dog food?
I haven't had a decent meal in months. I know it's dog food. I'm eating it. I'll never come back, okay? Go. Don't call the police. I'll leave.
Please, let me just talk to you. Let me just talk to you. No one should ever go hungry or worry about where their next meal is coming from. I'm so sorry you're going through this, but if you're ever hungry, would you please come and just see me? I'll give you some real food, okay?
Anything you offer me, I'll appreciate it so much.
It's my pleasure. What about if I give you a sandwich?